Yeah, that's the thing.
So this is how my food looks like. And then Eugene, what did you get?
I got fufu with antelope and goat. I actually wanted grass cutter and rat, but then we just have the antelope today. Just try it and see.
What is this?
Yeah, antelope.
So I'm trying antelope meat. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and grow with me. So today we're going to do Ghanaian food. I'm heading to meet a friend, Eugene, and then we're going to have Ghanaian food.
And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when
Constituency wise,
okay. So guys, I'm with my friend Eugene now. We're going to eat Ghanaian food. So let's go in and then we'll see what we're going to eat. So funny enough, if you see an area that looks like that, they sell good fufu, like honestly. But first of all, fufu is a Ghanaian dish made from cassava, yam, sometimes cocoa yam or yam. It's pounded and usually eaten with soups like light soup, palm nut soup, and groundnut soup. Okay guys, so I took fufu with light soup and goat meat. So this is how my food looks like, and we're waiting for Eugene's food. And Eugene, what did you get?
I got fufu with antelope and goat. I actually wanted grass cutter and rat, but then we just have the antelope today, so that's what I'm taking.
Okay.
I can't wait to start eating it. So yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, same. It's not a tradition.
Yeah, it's not traditional that you should always eat fufu with the groundnut soup or palm soup.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's like, I mean, it would be weird for you to eat maybe food and you have like groundnut soup. No, I mean not groundnut soup, but palm soup with goat meat and some other meat in it. There's some specific meats you'd. It's nice eating it with other, like these particular soups you're talking about, like the palm soup and then the goat. Yeah.
Okay. So how do we put it? Like how you?
So here's the thing. These two fingers, that's the majority of the weight. With the support of this.
Okay.
So it goes like this, and then you just press it. Now you press it here with your tongue so that you can scoop the soup with the soup well.
Okay.
So here you go. So it's just this two with the support of the tongue.
I don't eat my fufu like that.
So yeah. And then you go. And then if you're a meat person, you shouldn't take three scoops of fufu without a meat. So yeah. It's nice. It's really nice. Genuinely.
This is a dish usually eaten during the weekends, like a Saturday or Sunday, but among their cans, they can eat this every single day of their lives. Like, no kidding.
Just try it and see.
What is this?
Yeah, antelope.
So I'm trying antelope meat.
What do you think? It's actually good, right?
It's just like game meat.
Yeah, it is.
A few moments later.
So guys, we're done eating our fufu. It was really good.
It was amazing, yo.
Wait, I didn't even ask, what's the name of this place?
No, it's just a joint. let's just the joint.
Okay, the joint. I'll put the prices in my description box. And honestly, I guess you would have to get it somewhere else because I can't give directions to this place. It's hidden somewhere. But if you really want to come, just DM me on Instagram and then I'll try and find the directions
and
for
trust
you.
me, if you come here, you won't disappoint. You won't be disappointed at all. The food is so on point. The game meat, the local is so good. It's so nice. This woman is a badass. She knows how to cook local dishes. Trust me.
True.